Hey guys, it's TEPCO Cycle Repair. Today I'm going to be just giving you a quick tip on how to help you remove this swing arm pivot bolt. So this bolt right here, this is a 2005 Honda CR250. Alright, it sits inside of here. These get rusted in there. You can see this one here has no lubricant on it or anything. It just kind of has all rust on it. This one's very difficult to get out, but the threads are all still good right here. Nothing got mushroomed or anything like that. All still good. Let me show you how I did it. So you look at the swing arm right here. You can see that here's the collars inside the bearings. They're seized in there. Alright, so all these bearings are seized. So this swing arm was moving up and down and pivoting on the bolt itself. So what you want to do when this swing arm is sitting into place, okay, it sits into this void right here and this void right here. That's where they go. So when you loosen the nut, alright, loosen the nut on this side here, you're going to try to tap it in. I use a dead blow hammer. And I just tap it in a little bit, and I get it in as far as it'll go without using any real heavy force. And what I'll use is a brass punch. Okay, this brass punch is softer than the steel swing arm bolt, so you can kind of put it on there and tap it. And what you want to do here is you want to tap it in some, and then you want to take lubricant, some type of. This is what I use when I have really stubborn stuff. Okay, I use this this Kano Aero Crawl. Alright, this is what I use. And I'll take this and I'll spray it in between. And by spraying it in here, spray it in between each one of these little gaps, okay? And then knock the bolt back in again. So then come back over here, alright? And then you want to take it and you just want to knock it back in again. Spray it again, knock it back out. Spray it back and forth, and just slowly work it out. Don't try to ram it all the way out the first time because it's all dry. It's got rust on it. You want to work it back and forth. And just from hitting it back and forth a little at a time, it'll start to come loose. You'll be able to tap it out, and you'll be able to get that rusty bolt out of there. All right. So this bolt right here, you can see how it's all just rusted on there. Right? And you can see where here it had a little trouble getting out. But just worked it back and forth, okay? So basically I'm just taking it, hitting it back this way, knocking it back, hitting it back, knocking it back. In the meantime, I'm just spraying lube in between there. And that'll loosen it up enough so that you can get it out. You don't have to bring it anywhere to do it. You don't have to use any heat. It's a safe way to getting it out without damaging any threads. Use a brass punch, don't use a steel punch. And then you can get everything apart. We're going to be replacing these bearings here next. So hopefully, guys, this helps you out. Get those bolts out without ruining your bike, your bolt, and you can reuse everything. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, guys. Until next time, this is TEPCO Cycle Repair.